What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Anti Rocks. And you guys might be thinking why I'm smiling so much. Just because today I got my first DSLR camera. I was so excited. I was about to unbox the package here. I was about to unbox it. I was so impatient. Then I thought to share with you guys. I have to be patient. I have to wait for it to do the unboxing video for you guys. So no more talking, guys. I know I talked a lot, so let's get to the video now. Let's boom. This wine opener is actually really nice. So we have got a lot of airbags. And then we have something here. Let's open this first. Oh, okay. So I also ordered screen protector for my camera. So if you are in US, you might be getting Canon Rebel SL2, and the same model is called in European countries Canon 200D. So it's the same model, guys, so don't be confused that these are different models, because I was planning to buy the Canon Rebel SL2, but then I couldn't find it in European countries because it's actually the same model called EOS 200D. So it's the same model, guys. Let's open it up. Alright, so the first thing first, what we have got is a warranty card. The second one is, I think, the manual book or what? Where is English? Safety precautions. Alright, it's safety precautions something. Caution, warning, caution. It's like be careful about your device or something like that, guys. So I don't want to read this right now. Next thing, and this is actually the manual book. Quick reference guide. Here is how to start your camera and all those things here for the beginners. I'm actually a beginner as well, you can say, but I used many DSLR cameras, but not my own, so I don't know, whatever you call me, beginner or not, but whoa, la la la. So now, what else we have it here? The charging power cable, I think, and this is the battery. Let's take the camera out first. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, my white beauty. It's so light. It's very light, actually. Oh my god, look at this thing. Oh my god. And guys, it's really actually very light, very lightweight. Oh my god, it's like a piece of a wood or something. Holy moly, so light. So you can see it looks really nice. I didn't go for the black color because the black color is very common color. Everyone has it, but this color looks really nice, guys. What you think, this color or the black color, which one is nice? Just let me know in the comment section, guys, which one you prefer. But I personally like this one because I have used many cameras and all these cameras were black, and whoa. So this is actually very nice for YouTube or for vlogging. It's really nice. So you can say, guys, I actually bought this camera only for you guys, only for my YouTube channel. So I hope you will like it. And this screen is actually touch screen, so you can just tap the screen and you can focus. So it's really a nice, good feature. We have inside, let me just go ahead and check. I think we have the charger. So this is the charger. Yes, the Canon charger. So we have the charger cable here. Alright. And anything else we have inside? And we have the strap here. So yeah, and nothing else inside. So we have the strap here, the charger here, the charging cable here, the camera here, battery here, and the last thing we have is the kit lens. And this lens is 18 to 55 millimeter lens, and it has image stabilizer as well, and you can change your autofocus or manual focus from here. So yeah, so it's image stabilizer here, you can on or off from here, and that's it. So this is your zoom gear and this is your focus gear. Alright guys, so that's all we have in the box. So the camera, battery, strap, kit lens, and the charger and the charger cable. So that's all we have, and we have the manual book here and the warranty card. So that's what you will get if you buy this camera without any offers or something like that. And I just want to let you know guys that I have got no bag with the camera, so you will just get the box and these things, that's it. If you want to get a bag, so it depends on which shop you're buying from. I bought it from Amazon, so maybe I have to buy a bag separately. I will put the link in the description below guys, so you guys can see that. And now we can just put the battery in. So let me just tell you guys, if you are a beginner with DSLR cameras, just let me know in the comment section. I will make another video on the topic to help you out guys, that how you can use it. You guys can see, I mean, if you're not a DSLR user, you guys can see there are a lot of buttons everywhere, and there are 3 things which is the basic things that you need to know if you want to use a DSLR camera and you want good photo quality. You should know 3 things in a camera, that is the ISO, shutter speed, and the aperture. So these 3 things are the main things. I will make probably another video to just to let you know guys the basic things about a DSLR camera. If you are not using a DSLR camera and you want to know, or you just bought it and you don't know how to use it, just let me know in the comment section guys, so I will make another video on that topic. And another thing guys, you will not get a memory card with the camera, so you have to have your own memory card so before you buy the camera. So I already have it. You just have to rotate it like to the left, I mean anti-clockwise, and open. So this is the sensor that you are seeing inside, that's the sensor. Now you want to open this, so just press like this, and ta-da, bam. And the back side, just anti-clockwise as I show you before, this like this. Now you hold this. So guys, you can see the white box here, a small box type thing here, and you see another box here. So you just have to match the box together, like you see this box and that box goes together, bam. And now you rotate on your right, that's it. So when you match the both boxes, then just twist it clockwise, that's it, bam. Let me just go ahead and show you how you turn it on. And you see there is on off button, you just have to put it in the middle, that's it, boom shakalaka, it's on now. Now set the time, and here you have the HDMI port here. You can actually output your footage to somewhere else, like a projector or in a bigger screen. And you also have the mic input here, so that's really nice. And I also want to show you guys how you can remove the lens. You just have to press, you see the big button here, you just have to press the button, twist your lens anti-clockwise, and that's it. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, just don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well. And to get notified with more updates, press the bell icon beside the subscribe button, because I always bring this kind of videos every week. And I will make another video, comparison video with my Galaxy S8 and with my camera. I will also make a review of the camera, so that if you want to buy the same camera, you will know how is the camera and how it works and whatever, everything about the camera. I will make a video about that. So that's it for today. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Keep rocking.